Welcome to this stunning 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, crafted by local builder Scott Charlton. This home offers everything you need and more. Upstairs, you'll find a huge primary suite with a luxurious 5-piece ensuite, a spacious walk-in closet, and 2 additional well-sized bedrooms. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring stainless steel appliances, engineered hardwood floors, quartz countertop, crown molding, and an oversized island with a pantry. Perfect for all your cooking and entertaining needs. The cozy living room is a great place to relax. Step outside to your by covered patio, complete with the Wagti gas BBQ hookup. Plus, enjoy your own private wide pool, ideal for gatherings with friends and family. Downstairs, there are 2 additional bedrooms, a heated garage, and a self-contained 1-bedroom suite. A fantastic option for guest or rental income. This home is ideally located within walking distance to all levels of schools, trails, and transit. Join us for the open house on November 24th from 1 to 3 p.m. Come experience this beautiful home in person.